Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Janae Elkins, a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, and I will be briefing you all on Tropical Depression 9. Today is Thursday, August 26, 2021. So to start, let's look at a situation overview. Tropical Depression 9 is in the formative stages at this time. Tropical Depression 9 formed sometime this morning around the West Central Caribbean. Observations aircrafts are en route to investigate the system more and should get more information later this afternoon. Confidence in the overall forecast, track, intensity, and rainfall will increase with time, but at this time, uncertainty in the specifics will exist. So let's jump to a potential track and cone. This is the current forecast from NHC as of 11 a.m. Eastern Time today. The current forecast does put our region as a favorable location to get impacts. NWS Jackson CWA, our region covers most of central Mississippi, northeastern Louisiana, and southeastern Arkansas. In regards to general timing, impacts could begin as early as Sunday late afternoon going into the evening hours, but we're looking for things to kick off mostly Sunday night going into Monday night. So let's take a look at tropical storm wind speed probabilities. Again, this is based off the current forecast track that NAC has put out. This could be subject to change if the track shifts some, or it's possible that it could stay the same. So initial forecasts and probabilities for tropical storm type wind speeds. This is what this map is showing. For our area, these are fairly high probabilities at 4 to 5 days out. Roughly 4 in 10 chances, we are at a 4 in 10 chance of seeing 40 miles per hour winds or greater in our southwestern half from this system at this time. Again, this is based off the current forecast track. We will continue to follow the trends and probabilities. What does that mean? That means are they staying steady? Are they increasing or are they decreasing? Again, we will continue to follow trends over these next several days and these next forecast cycles. Stepping into the expected storm total rainfall. So again, this map is based off the current forecast track, and so are these values. So if the forecast track changed, then these values are likely to change as well. Storm total rainfall forecast through Wednesday. This is what this map is showing. Details on amounts and potential flooding impacts are not known at this time. Forecast values will get updated with newer forecasts. This is just a general guess that we are looking at. In general, potential for heavy rainfall is this later Sunday into Tuesday with potential flooding impacts. There will likely be locally higher amounts from whatever amount of rainfalls that we see. And even though, as I previously stated, that these values could change, just know that there will be some possible heavy rainfall with this system. So in closing, our confidence is at a medium right now that the event will occur, and our confidence is low right now in regards to impact. So what does that mean? Glad you asked. So when we say our confidence is medium that the event will occur, this means that we more than likely know that, the system will, occur. However, in regards to impacts, our confidence is low because we are still several days out. So the forecast center track is subject to change. And so if that changes, then that could increase or decrease impacts in regards to our area. Tropical Depression 9 is in the formative stage. This results in greater uncertainty with the forecast track and potential intensity. While the official forecast is favorable for potential impacts to our region, details are unknown, but they still, however, matter. More specifics will be known with later forecasts, and anticipate updates to our threat graphics concerning any potential impacts in regards to wind, flooding, and tornadoes with later forecasts. As we like to say, do not focus on numbers Make sure that you have a plan in place. This is the perfect time now to revisit those hurricane and tropical storm preparedness plans. Make sure to follow your local National Weather Service offices, and make sure to follow the National Hurricane Center's social media pages. You will want to make sure that you keep up with your local National Weather Service pages and and the National Hurricane Center, as they will be providing updates in regards to this system. Make sure that you have multiple ways of receiving warnings and watches, and multiple ways to receive information in regarding this system. So our next briefing will be tomorrow, but the time for that is still to be determined. However, you can check out our page, our site at www.weather.gov/Jackson, or you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, where our handles on all three are capital NWS Jackson, capital MS. Thank you for your time and have a good day.